Hello children, welcome to EVS period. Today we will be revising parts of a plant. Please keep your worksheets ready children. Now, parts of a plant, do you remember? What are the different parts of a plant? We shall start from the bottommost part of the plant. Which is the bottommost part of the plant? That is this part. Yes, which is this part? It is the root. What do the roots do? The root, it will absorb the soil. Very good. Can we see these roots, children? Can we generally see the roots? No, we cannot see the roots. Why? Why can we not see the roots? They are under the ground. Then when we talk about the parts which are there above the ground. When we talk about the parts which are there above the ground, they are stem, branches, leaf, bud, flower, fruit. All these are parts which are there above the ground. Now, in the worksheet, we are going to revise what and all are the different parts that you learnt in your previous class. Now, do you have this worksheet ready with you in front of you? What is this picture? What picture can you see? You can see the picture of a plant. And here you have been asked to mark the different parts of a plant. Isn't it? So, A. What is A, children? A is the flower. 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 Then B. What is B? Leaf. 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 What is C? Fruit. 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 What is D? D is stem. 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 What is E? E is roots. 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 What is F? Bud. 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 A is flower. B is leaf. C is fruit. D is stem. E is roots. And F is bud. Have you finished writing? Then coming to the next part of the exercise 2. Write true or false for true or false. T for true and F for false. We can see all parts of a plant. It is false. Which part we cannot see? We can't see the roots. The roots of a plant are under the ground. This is true. Fruits make food for the plant. Very wrong, no children? What makes food for the plant? Yes? Which is the kitchen of the plant? The leaf. The leaf will make food for the plant. With what it will make? It will make food with the help of air, that is carbon dioxide in air. Then water which it gets from roots. And then in the presence of sunlight, it will make food for the plant. It will make starch for the plant. The leaf makes food for the plant. So fruits make food for the plant is false. Trees have weak stem. How how are the trees stem, children? They are so thick, no? And it is woody. It is so thick and woody, and it is very strong. And see this silly sentence that is given here. Trees have weak stems. What is it? Is it true? No, it is false. Yes, did you put false F there? We get fruits, vegetables, and grains from plants. It is true. We get all this from plants. Yes. Now let us turn the page of the worksheet. Yes. Who am I? Choose the correct answer from the given box. What is the first word? Climber, tree, herb, creeper, shrub. I am very small plant with soft green stem. Which is this plant? It is a herb. B. I have weak stem and grow along the ground. It will creep like a snake on the ground. What is it? It is a creeper. I am smaller than tree and have woody stem which grow close to the ground. What is this? It is a bush. A bush is also known as a shrub. S-H-R-U-B, shrub. I have weak stem and grow upward by taking support. It can climb up when it takes support. So it is a climber. C-L-I-M-B-E-R, climber. I am a big plant with hard and strong stem called trunk. What is this type of a plant? It is a tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Fourth one. Encircle the things which we get from the plants. So, you are going to circle the things which you get from plants. So, I am going to choose a color. I am going to choose pink or violet. What is this? Magenta. Magenta color. So, first one is paper. Do we get it from plants or do we get it from animals? We get it from plants. Eggs? No. Wheat? Yes. Bamboo? Yes. Milk? No. Wood? Yes. Pen? No. Fruits? Yes. Scissors? No. Gum? Yes. From some plants we get gum. Raincoat? No. Cotton? Yes. From cotton plant we get cotton. Then what should you do? Draw and color a water plant. Lotus. So draw a lotus from your textbook or from anywhere and write its name. You have to give it a heading, isn't it? So draw it in water, children. Water plant should be seen in water. Okay. Thank you, children.